Away they go. Siklag running by the rail is Marigold from the outside. Banay alongside moving up. And on the further outside is Maximum Exposure. Island Friend racing in fifth by the rail is Bombardier. Alongside Sunday Street rushing up 7A Ribaldo. Ravishing Rafi perfect time in the middle. Fly other play. Lord Brian running down on the inside. Yotero and Smarty Fun is running in 14th. Siklag by a length and a half. On the outside is Maximum Exposure. Banay is racing in third now, taking the second spot. Marigold racing in fourth by Darrell. Rushing up 7A Ribaldo, Bombardier, Island Friend, and Perfect Time Fly, Ade Fly, Ravishing Rafi. Last 400 meters more to run. Banay at the center, Siklag. And on the outside, Maximum Exposure. Bombardier down on the inside. Last 200 meters more to run. Banay by some 3 lengths now. Bombardier. And on the outside, Fly Island Friend, and Ravishing Rafi. And nearing the finish line, Alexander Ngaba Mamaril on Banay. Second, Ravishing Rafi. Bombardier. Number 3, Fly Smarty Fans. 7A Ribaldo for your Super Sais.